What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, we're going to get right into it. My voice getting a little bit better. It's better than yesterday, but not all the way down. But I told y'all I'm going to tell you about this pre-sale. I'm going to give you my strategy, the best strategy. No frills, none of all that garbage. Listen, man. But before we do all that, we got to do this. Ooh, woo. Anyway, if anybody know what I'm drinking, put it in the description. I'm gonna do you a little airdrop just for those. I ain't gonna say old school, but people who've been following me, you know what it is. If not, then you'll see in the comments below. And I think it'll be funny if you don't know what it is, you try to guess. That might be even funnier. But anyway, let's get to this right here, man. The Manor Farm pre-sale will be tomorrow at 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Now, I think that's EST, so wherever you are, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? If you're in Belize like me, then you gotta, know what time 11 o'clock is, right? So, 11 o'clock, you gotta come right here to the Manor Farm. You gotta come right here. Pre-sale. And buy your P-Rev token. These will be swapped out for actual Rev tokens when the thing launches. But just come right here, man. Put your BUSD in. It's going to give you Rev tokens, right? Now, here's my thing. People asking me, are you, I think the max is like, I want to say 500 or 100 or something like that. Are you going to be in the pre-sale, blah, blah, blah. In the public sale? No. I'm not finna be, because let me tell you something. A lot of people not going to make it, bro. The public sales are going to raise, 500,000 BUSD, 10% under list. That's nothing for the amount of people that's going to be on here. Some of y'all going to make it, some of y'all not. If you don't make it, that's fine. I'm going to buy just off Pancake Swap. That's what I'm going to do. You know, so I might come here and try just to see if I make it. But if you don't make it, so a lot of people don't make it in the pre-sale and then they get mad, don't even want to do it. There's a strategy behind this, right? The reason it's only 500,000, you got to have somebody to buy after the fact. If everybody in the pre-sale, then who gonna buy? Nobody gonna buy it after, right? And then ain't gonna be no dumping because it's only 10% under listed. You see that? So what's the reason paying gas fees and stuff just to break even, right? At, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't gonna be no dumping. Now here's my strategy. This is what we here for. Let's get right to it, shall we? Now, after all that, and when they launch and all that, you get your Rev token, man. You get your Rev token. You pair it with BUSD. Now, you can pair it with WNBA. You can pair it with WBNB or BUSD, whichever APR is higher for you. But the easiest way to do it, man, get your Rev token on Pancake Swap. Get your BUSD, which is a liquidity pool token, right? Put it in here. That's going to pay you in Rev, right? Take that Rev token. Listen closely. Rewind the video, do it again, listen to it again if you have to. Take that Rev token, put it in the safe house, which is just a pool. So if you get confused by safe house and all that, it's just the pool, just a Rev staking pool. When you take that Rev, now you want to put in one time that liquidity pool, right? It's going to pay you Rev. Take that Rev, come to the pool, put it in the pool, stake it in the pool. That pool going to pay you out BUSD, right? Now, follow me now. Take that BUSD. Come over here to the drip liberation, right? This is all from one deposit. Take that, put it into the drip liberation. It's going to automatically give you drip BUSD LP coins, right? Liquidity pool token. You know what to do with that. Bring that back to the farm, right? Because this new is going to have a high APR. Take that and stake it in here and earn more Rev tokens. Then take those Rev tokens, go back to the stakehouse, put those in the stakehouse, get more BUSD, go back to the drip liberation contract, get your drip BUSD tokens, go back to the farm, stake those on the farm, get rev, and you're gonna be earning rev. Why? Who gonna tell you that, bro? Who? I'm telling you this for free. Ain't no membership, ain't no Patreon. I'm giving you this simple for free. I ain't trying to tell you about, all the other stuff that I ain't gonna say it don't matter, but 90% of the people that's in this, they be confused and don't know what to do, how it work. What I just gave it to you just like that, under 6 minutes, just that quick. That's all you need to know. I mean, it's so easy. And like I said, if you got confused, just rewind it. Tomorrow, 11 o'clock, you come here, get your pre-sale or whatever, boom, boom, boom. It's going to give you P-Rev. And after be the real Rev, it's going to give you P-Rev. And then when the actual platform launches, you're going to get the actual Rev tokens. And when you get actual Rev tokens, or if you don't have Rev tokens, go to Pancake Swap, get your Rev tokens. You come here to the farm, right? Come on, thing. The butterfly out the way, man. Y'all know how I feel about that butterfly. But anyway, you pay your Rev token with BUSD. You stake it on the farm. It's going to pay you in Rev. Take that Rev, come over to the pool. Stake that Rev in the pool. It's going to pay you out BUSD. It's going to be right here. All your money going to be right here. You harvest that, bring it to the Drip Liberation. One click it. Click it a ticket, baby. Click it a ticket. Click it, get a ticket. Take your BUSD, click max. It's going to give you automatically. So you're going to buy it for you. You're going to buy the drip paired with the BUSD. You ain't got to go back to Pancake Swap. It's going to do the magic right here. Then, now I'm going to switch the game up on you. You got two options right here because I don't want to confuse it, but I got to give you I got to give it to you real and raw. Once you get these drip liquidity pool tokens, you can go back to the farm and you can stake them and earn more Rev and just have this circle of life going, baby. The money circle. Create your own money circle. You see what I'm saying? The Stunner Breezy money circle, baby. You can do that, or you can put them into the drip garden. See what I'm saying? Put them into the drip garden. You put them into the drip garden, and it's gonna pay you out drip USD tokens too. So if you see what I'm saying? If you put it in the garden, it's going to give you these tokens too. You can harvest these tokens and then go back to the farm. Or you can do it just every other time. Like one time you might go to the farm. The next time you might put it back into the drip garden. Next time you might go into the farm. Next time you might go in the drip garden. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You feel me? Bro, all you got to do is have a strategy. I just gave you a strategy. You don't have to do it, but it's giving you like a starting point. You can do it any way you want to, man. But that is the foolproof way to do it. Ain't nobody gonna tell you that, but that's the best way to do it. Now, look, now you can come down here. Hey, when this thing starts, it's gonna have some great APR. So if you got some ETH paired with your BNB or you got the USD ETH pair. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin, cake, all that dusty, rusty cake you got laying around, put it in here, pay it up. You know what I'm saying? It's the Manor form. They got the audit done and all that. So you know it's Forex y'all, baby. See, I ain't gonna get into layer 2 and the dog and the pig. I ain't gonna get into that yet. That's just confusing you. You don't need to worry about none of that. This right here gonna run for 14 days. Make as much. Here's the key. Here's the key. I'm gonna let you know the key. Just like I told you in the beginning, he who has the most drip tokens wins. With this, he who accumulates the most Rev wins. You see what I'm saying? I don't get into. I tell you about that when the 14 days up and the 48 hours up, all that. But listen, man, accumulate these Revs, man. That's why I be telling you come back in here and keep putting them back in there. Keep putting them back in there. Keep putting them back in there. Accumulate these Rev coins, revolutionary tokens. You see what B-Reap is doing? This thing, B-Reap is like $230. That's Forex. That's another coin. B-Reap, all the coins are going up. No coin left behind. That's the motto. No coin. Every coin this man coming out with is going up. I could care less what Bitcoin doing. Ethereum. what the government do with XRP, blah, 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 gaming coin, metaverse. I don't care. What is Forex doing? What is Richard Hart doing? That's all you need to worry about, bro. And you will become a millionaire. Subscribe to Stunner Breeze and you will become a millionaire. I promise you that, bro. But the only thing you got to do is go hard, man. Go hard. Go hard as you possibly can. Don't cheat yourself. That's all you gotta do, man. Just go hard or go home, baby. 11 o'clock tomorrow, that's what's going on. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.